Hello, I am Dr. Shanwaz Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about critical evaluation of Ricardo theory. Some of this criticism and enlisted below. First criticism is Ricardo does not discuss the actual ratio at which sugar and tea would exchange and how much the two countries gain from trades. Next criticism is the main drawback of classical theory of comparative cost advantage is that is based on assumption of full employment. Keynes criticized the assumptions according to Keynes unemployment situation also prevail in the economy, so comparative cost theory is unrealistic. Next criticism is the Ricardo model is restrictive in operations as it relates only to commodity and to countries. In actuals, price international trade is among countries with many commodity as important factor in international trade. Ignored by the Ricardian model is that actual imports and exports are generally influenced by tariffs and a variety of trade restrictions. Thus, as a champion of free trade, Ricardo moved away from reality. Next criticism is in the theory why labor efficiency differ in two countries is not explained. To examine these production environments, technology advancements, and other factor contributions, etc. have to be analyzed. Therefore, the assumption of single factor labor alone to be the only factor of productions. Next criticism is the assumption of similar taste in unrealistic because tastes differ with different baskets in any country. Moreover, they also change with a growth on a country with the development of its trade relation with other countries. Next criticism is factor is not fully mobile easily within the nation. Within the nation, factor of production also immobile as like between the countries. Next criticism is the Ricardian theory is one-sided because it considers only the supply side of international trade and neglect the demand side. And next and last, Ricardo ignored transport costs in determining the comparative advantage in trade. This is highly unrealistic because transport costs play an important role in determining the pattern of trades. Thank you.